whether they need to recruit, whether they need to mentor, coach, train. Again, we're singing the same song, but it's getting back to the local control and having districts determine themselves what it is they need. And we're providing the funding, but providing it with local control.
All right. Do we have a follow-up question in Minneapolis?
Oh, okay. That we didn't listen to teachers to the extent that we should have. And as we move forward, we're going to have to talk to teachers, both formally and informally, through task forces, as well as those who write me an email and call our department. The concern I would have is that the fact-finding that we didn't do that we should have, we did some, but not to the extent that I think we should have, that could actually be compiled if we rush to yet another reform right now, because certainly there's not time right now to bring all the stakeholders together and find out from all the teachers what they need with anything new.
But Commissioner, you know, having followed the last couple of years of the run-up toward the profile, I sure thought that there was a lot of emphasis on engaging both teachers and local administrations. I mean, the pilot sites. How could you do that any better than the state did? Well,
I think that we could have, and the fact that there are so many people out there who are frustrated, the fact there are so many teachers coming forward and saying we didn't get listened to and nobody did ask us, tells me that we didn't do the best that we can do. So I'd like to build on what we did. You said for 10 years we did listen to people and we did engage them. Well, if we didn't do it sufficiently, let's keep building on that. Let's not throw all that work away and start all over, but let's build forward.
Do you think there's any chance that some of the opposition really stems from the fact that there's simply a group of people, there's a segment of the population that doesn't like the idea from the start?
Yes, and I suppose there are people who don't like change regardless